People management training, strategic people management, fundamentals, how to accomplish best outcomes. People management includes an understanding of employment law, of training and to motivate employees and giving constructive feedback to assist with business development and personal and professional growth. Why people management is essential. To achieve outcomes through other people. To manage business operations while leading people at the same time. Supervise the connection between senior or executive management and personnel. Learn how to inspire every individual of your team, even if they don't believe in your values. Use proactive and corrective feedback to deal with problem personnel. Learning opportunities. The role of a supervisor or manager. Managing performance. Effective communication. Managing the performance conversation. Questioning skills. Delegating. Giving and receiving feedback. Managing according to the situation. Who should take this course? People management training is a 3-day course designed for managers, supervisors, project managers, team managers, HR managers. Course outline. Synopsis of people management. People management fundamentals. Personnel functions. Strategic people management. Strategic people management approaches. How to accomplish best outcomes. Encouraging well-being. Organizational culture. Practice to good ethics. Want to learn more? Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.